you get? Oh my God.
An HP laptop.
Don't read it, man. Just take it. Just take it. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, she got the beats. She got the beats. Amelia, oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Uh-oh, we got one. Oh no. Uh-oh.
No running, no pushing.
Oh my God, this is not what I expected. Holy cow. Oh my God. Oh my God. What did you get? Move that Black & Decker box. What is it? Oh my God. Oh my God. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got here early, people. Run. What are you doing walking? Go, people, go! What do you got, baby jogger? What? Don't be getting picky now, just grab stuff. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. No fighting!
Open boxes or bags.
No fighting! Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, I almost got hit with a cart. Careful! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're gonna run out of shopping carts here in a second. What is happening? Look at this guy. This guy was the guy here first. Oh my God. What'd you get, boss? Show me what you got.
Got the solo 3s.
Oh my goodness. That guy's been here for like 12 hours. I'm gonna interrupt this video real quick. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, I'd appreciate it if you hit that like and subscribe button. There's a lot of stuff going on here. All right, let's get back to the video. All right, I know another lady got here early. Let me see if I can find her. Oh, I see her. What did you get? Oh my God.
An HP laptop.
Holy cow. A couple bed comforters. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go, 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 go. Don't let me stop you. Go. Don't read it, man. Just take it. Just take it. Fill your carts. Everything in your cart times 10 is what you're gonna pay. What are you looking up stuff for, man? Just take it. Oh, she was here early too. I gotta go look at her cart. She was here early. What do you got? Anything good? Any headphones? Look at you, look at you. Oh, she got the beats. She got the beats. Come on, your cart's empty. What do you got? A pop?
A pop and a box.
Nice. Hey, that's all right, man. 20 bucks. Look, they got toys. Yeah, I didn't see that earlier. Look at that. I don't see anybody fighting. Okay, pretty respectful. Don't look it up. Just go. Take it. Put it in your cart. You're wasting time. Am I yelling? Look at that. People still coming in. Look, they're about to run out of these H-E-B carts right now. There you go. Go, go, go. Hurry, hurry. Hey, walk. No running. You gotta find the gems. Come on. Oh, I see some good stuff here. Do I work here? Are they paying me? Look, this cart's empty. What are you doing? Grab stuff. Look at it. Pure water filter sitting right there. Oh, look at that. Jumper cable. That's a good find right there. What are those? 12 gauge? We got here. This guy's got a car full, man. Look, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. About over 150 bucks here. Look at this. Xbox, whatever it is, Xbox is worth more than 10 bucks.
A projector.
Projector, okay. Yeah, okay, go, man. Don't let me stop you. Run. Oh, we got some Love's diapers. That's a good deal.
Yeah,
You know what he's looking for. Even with a coupon, you can't buy that for 10 bucks at Target. Uh-oh, I see a Monopoly game. This guy's ready to gamble. Oh, I see something DeWalt. What is that? What is that? Oh, goggles. Goggles. DeWalt goggles. Oh, look at that. Look at that. That is a find, my friend. Oh, that is good. That's a hidden gem right there. Arlo table ceiling wall mount. Oh my God. What did this people find right here? Air hockey table for 10 bucks. ESPN, the Ocho. Nobody's checked out yet. Look, this is a register. Nobody has checked out. Oh, look at this guy. He's got some gems. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $100 in comforters. You spend 300, they'll give you one of those. All right, let's go. Oh my God, here she is again. Here she is. Did you bring like 400 bucks with you today?
Yeah, tomorrow.
If you spend 300, they give you one of those
I'm ready.
pots over there. You're gonna spend like 900, right? So you can get 3. Look at that, Xbox headphones right there.
Oh yeah, this massager.
Oh, a neck massager. This girl came to shop. What time did you get here today?
Yesterday at 5.
5
Yes.
p.m.?
Yes.
Holy moly. She does not mess around. Fine, what do you got? Nothing yet? Come on. Oh, you do? Where are they at? Let me see that, man. Oh, look at that, bro. Holy monkeys. Good job. I'll give you $8 for them. Where all these people come from? I think the entire city of Houston is here today. Hey, this guy's smart over here. Going right for the food. There you go. Some Orville Redenbacher. What you got there? Popcorn? What you got, man? Okay, that's not bad. What's that, like a body slimming machine? Okay, good luck. Look at this hype, people. This is real hype. I showed up this morning at 6 o'clock. The line was probably about 200 people deep. They didn't know I was coming. I said, can I get in and record, get exclusive access? They gave it to me, and here we are. How we doing, Tommy?
We're doing mayhem, dude. It's like I-59. You can't get through nowhere. It's amazing. Crazy Hot Deals is here to stay, and the people and the public are responding. Why? Because we got $10 deals all day long.
Okay.
Man, I know I've seen this somewhere. That gotta cost something.
Sure, man. Who knows? It costs.
Who knows?
It costs something. Don't know what though. If you guys are looking for stuff to resell, this is a good place to get some good quality items. I'd say come Friday early when they restock. That way you get those really expensive high dollar items. Anything good, man? What you got?
Everything's bueno. I got a Yamaha.
Yamaha. Oh, piano. I saw that. I saw that piano earlier.
Yeah, I was happy to get it, man. I didn't think I was gonna get it.
That's good, man. You got a lot. You got a good eye, man. You got some good stuff.
Yeah, appreciate it.
You weren't even here that early, were you?
Yes.
You were?
Yeah, of course.
Oh man. Look at that. Joey Bosa right there. What's that? Check that out. Let me see. Look at that. Oh, that's the good stuff, man. That is some good stuff. 300 for that? You guys got a good eye, huh?
Yeah.
That's what we do.
It was real. It was real. Big shout out to Crazy Hot Deals Houston. They gave me exclusive access to come in here.
We're here at Crazy Hot Deals, and you can see it's mayhem, mayhem, mayhem. Houston, Texas. We told you we were coming, and we're here. Crazy Hot Deals style.
All right, man. Let's see it. Let's see it.
I don't know what I have. I know I got the Airpods and the Beats.
Yeah? All right, what y'all got?
The game station, Nintendo for the kids.
Oh my
HP
God.
laptop, and
$10, $10, $10. That is a steal. Those,
Check it
you
out.
got some steering wheel covers? What's that little flower thing?
Teddy bear. I saw this on Instagram all the time.
Okay.
And this is an LED light, Apple product, protected cover,
Okay.
rhinestone steel. You don't get this for $10 anywhere.
How excited are you, Fong?
Lava lamp for $10.
A lava lamp.
$30 item. Girl, so excited. Alright, and this is bedroom decor floating shower.
Okay, all right.
What is this gold thing?
I don't know. You put something in it. Oh, why has nobody taken this yet? Holy cow. Oh, look at these. Why aren't people taking this stuff yet? You got here early. You got the good stuff. What do they got here? Hypodermic needle. You got them Beats down there. That's the most expensive item right there. You know what you would do. You found a Fitbit.
You see that? Oh, I didn't know.
That ain't cheap right there.
Oh,
That Fitbit, that is expensive.
I didn't know that.
I'll buy it from you. $8.
Okay.
What'd you get, my friend? Anything good?
Yeah.
What you got? Okay. What is that? Oh, nice. Let me see, let me see. Oh, dude.
Right, man.
What time did you get here today?
I came yesterday.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
What time?
11.
11 p.m.?
Yep.
What'd you find today, man? Anything good?
Find some good stuff.
Okay, a drone?
Drone.
What is this big box here? It's, it's heavy. 1.5 years old. It's an all-terrain steel and wood wagon. This is over $200, man. Oh, look at that. This guy's got some stuff here. You've been here a long time today, haven't you?
Since yesterday.
Crazy hot deals. I'm just amazed by the concept. I've heard of these falling prices stores, but I've never actually been to one. Very interesting. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I appreciate you stopping by my channel, Crazy Hot Deals Houston. Big shout out to them for letting me record. I can't imagine this would ever slow down. See you next time. Peace.